Welcome back to Island Life Live. We are so very happy to have Joanna here with us. This is Joanna Rabe. She is an event design expert. And sister, thank you so much for making our set look so beautiful.
Look at this. This is awesome.
Gorgeous.
This is what we do.
I know. And you know, she's got a little glistening going on because she was literally just right between the commercials, just boop, 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 boop. You are amazing. And she did this all in her beautiful whites. And there's a reason why she's in white. We're going to be talking, sorry, a little bit more about that in a little bit. But as we move into the fall and holiday seasons, you know, sister, can you please help us talk about some of the current decor themes that are out there?
Of course, yes. So stacking color, stacking any kind of textures, you know, building up on not just what's available to you, but also reaching out for something that's uniquely you has been extremely popular this year. We're seeing a lot more extravagant sets this year and a lot more color, deviating away from traditional you know, trends and colors.
You know, sister, talking about traditional trends and colors, I get the anthurium and the ginger and the bird of paradise, but you're like actually bringing like fruit and vegetables to this.
Actually, our floor director, Jacob, had never seen a pomegranate before. This is what they look like. Where's the camera? There it is. There's an actual real-life pomegranate. These are delicious, by the way. Yeah,
I mean, you know, I wouldn't ever think to put like vegetables, and then you even have like painted gourds and stuff like that.
Really nice.
That's beautiful in regards to just kind of stepping out of the norm, stepping out of that paradigm, right?
Yes.
And just looking to do something different.
I'm super a fan of what's available, right? At 8:30 a.m. sometimes, you know, the florist is closed.
Yeah.
And so
we open up our refrigerator.
Open up our refrigerator,
open the pantry.
Rate the garden a little bit. You got tomatoes going, you can get them.
Yeah. But it works.
It
works really well. And you know,
does.
and I've seen you over the years. You've done some amazing work as one of the, or as the premier sponsor for the event which I co-host, Le Dîner en Blanc, which is coming up next Saturday, October 25th. You're back again as the design partner for that. You know, what are some tips for people who are putting together their tables for the Dîner en Blanc picnic right now? You know, it's all white themed, but there is an opportunity for color.
Yes. And I think they should absolutely utilize that allowable color palette, right? So while everything is white, you have a perfect clean base to start with, and then you layer everything. That's the secret to any design scheme is layering. That's going to build you with layering on top of textures. We're talking layering on top of heights, right?
Yes.
Variated heights. Everything kind of comes together with that clean white base to do just small accents of color. It doesn't have to be crazy, but I think utilizing something that is colorful will help it to stand out, help your table setting to stand out, help your decor to kind of pop. And again, use things that are unique to you, what you love, you know?
Does it always have to be so expensive though, sis? Because your arrangements look like hundreds of dollars kind of stuff like that.
I am flattered.
No, for real. I'm just like, can I afford JSS?
You absolutely can afford a set like this,
yes.
I promise. Everything has been under, I would say, $50 for this entire table set.
Wow.
Yes, pulling what was available in my cabinet, in my refrigerator, in my garden. I raided my neighbor's garden. He'll find out this morning, but.
You are creative. I love it. So what types of events does JSS specialize in?
Yes, so we do everything, full gamut, from small birthday parties to big corporate events, things like the Dîner en Blanc. We've had the opportunity to be so grateful and so thankful. So many clients over the years have trusted us with so many different design sets, and that kind of built our repertoire to handle really anything. We want to make sure that whatever event you are doing, we are customizing for you, because someone's wedding might not be your wedding.
Absolutely.
And someone's, you know, Christmas party might not be right for you. So we do make sure that we customize every single event, and our team puts everything into it to make sure it's perfect for you.
Absolutely. And you say you've worked with Joanna?
Yes,
for many
JSS
years?
has been the image of Dîner en Blanc for so many years, and we're so happy to have you back.
We're so grateful.
We're a week away And I see you already got your whites. I still have to find
She's
my
ready.
outfit.
She's ready. All right. Well, Joanna, thank you so much. How can people reach out to you? And,
Yes.
Oh, you know what? We've got that information right there on the screen for you. JSS by Design. And, you know, by Design, I just want to let you know, again, she did this in literally 3 minutes.
Yeah.
This is what she turned our set into. I wish I could keep it, but I have a feeling it's going to disappear when she does too. So make sure you grab her and her team for your
I'm going
next
to grab
big event.
this pomegranate.
That's your afternoon snack.
That's Joanna Rabe. She's our co-owner of JSS by Design. Check them out, jssbydesign.com.